Do you have a monkey mind that just keeps on jumping from one branch to the other, making you feel that your head is full of thoughts at most point in time? Do you feel that this does not allow you to focus and concentrate on most of your tasks, whether they are at work or at home? Does that make you feel stressed, anxious, and also all over the place? If the answer is a yes, then in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple practice that you can start doing right now, which will make you feel that you've taken the first step towards building a mind that is clear, calm, and focused. So let's go ahead and learn it. So learning this practice would consist of 3 things. Number 1, settling of the body. Number 2, settling of the breath. And number 3 would be settling of the mind. So let's go ahead and take the first step. So your first step is that you need to find yourself a place where you can sit. You can sit upright, which means it could be a place where you could sit on the floor, or even you can go ahead and sit on a chair. Now this could be even while you're at work, at home, even you're sitting, you're going somewhere and you're sitting in the car. Mind it, not driving, but you're sitting in a non-driver seat of the car. I mean, this can be done at any time, anywhere. There is zero dependency. So just the way I'm sitting. So the first step is that you go ahead and sit with your back upright. Just feel as if someone's taken a string and it's pulling you from here. So when your back is upright, your mind becomes alert, and it has to be relatively straight. So with that alert mind, the first step that you do is then start settling into the body. How do you do that? You go ahead and start feeling the way, the posture in which you're seated. Feel how your hands are resting either on your thighs, or you can just fold them and keep them at the center. You can feel how your legs are folded, either sitting cross or they are on the chair. How your feet feel, the way they are right now. Just settle in to your body and make it feel stable and more centered. While you've done that, the next step is to settle your breath. Your breath is the first thing that goes out of order the moment it is not in the moment. So start focusing on your breath. And the first thing that you need to notice is, where do you find your breath most available in your body in that moment? Is it in your chest area, where every single time you breathe in, your ribs expand and contract? Or is it in your gut area? Start feeling every expansion and contraction. Or is it in the area of your shoulders? Every time you breathe in, your shoulders go up, and every time you exhale, the shoulders go down. Don't force your breath. Just breathe the way you naturally do into that area. Calmly breathing in, calmly breathing out. Just breathe naturally. No focusing on trying to push your breath. Should you be closing your eyes? If you feel comfortable, yes. But if your surroundings are where you feel not as comfortable, just lower your gaze. It is not compulsory that you close your eyes. Once that your breath is far more settled, now we'll go ahead and work towards calming down your mind. Now, this is a simple practice which we call as a body scan. The purpose of the body scan is to make sure that it gets your mind back where your body is. So the intention is that we'll go ahead and scan every part of the body. Try and notice as many sensations in that particular part of the body. What it does is what I just mentioned. A monkey mind is a mind that leaves the body. And the body scan is a practice that will get that mind back where the body is, so that in the present moment you feel much more calmer, centered and clearer, rather than worrying about what will happen tomorrow, I've not paid my bills, etc. So let's go ahead and from this settled breath, go into the actual body scan practice. So with that state, just go ahead and start bringing your focus at the tip of your head, the center of your scalp, which is right here. Feel all kinds of sensations that you can feel in this particular part of the body. Is it vibrating, pulsing? Do you feel any heat, cold, heaviness or lightness? Just experience that. And yes, the mind will go away. Do not get irritated about it. Don't overanalyze, don't overthink. It is just a small baby who's run away. So bring a smile on your face and get it back. Now expand your entire focus onto your entire scalp. On the front, on the back, on the sides. Expand it through your temples, your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, your nose, onto your area above the lip, your lips, your beautiful cheeks and your jawline, all the way to your ears, down through your neck. Bring your focus onto your chest. Experience all the sensations that you feel here every time you inhale and you exhale. And slowly bringing it down onto your stomach, your gut area. Then moving your focus onto your fingers, the way you've kept your hand either on your lap or onto your thighs. Focus on every finger, onto your palms, whether you're feeling dry, you're feeling wet, any kind of sensations and pulsing, all the way to your wrists, all the way up to your shoulders. Now focus how your shoulders feel. This is one of the areas where a lot of us keep our stress accumulated. So focus and see how your shoulders feel, whether they feel light, they feel heavy. Are they in pain? Are they stressed? Do you feel contracted? Just focus on your shoulder and breathe into it. Build your focus onto it. Slowly taking it up, back onto your neck, the back of your neck. Moving your focus down to your upper back, middle of the back, and the lower back. Moving your focus down, the way you're seated, expanding it to your lower area, all the way down to your thighs, all the way down to your calves and your shins, your heels, your ankles, your entire foot, onto your toes. Stay there with your focus onto the toes for some time. And imagine breathing into your toes, into your body, and breathing out from there. Calmly breathing in, calmly breathing out. Now, whenever you're ready, I invite you to expand your focus onto your entire body and feel your breath coming in and going out of your entire body. Think how you were when you started this practice. And right now, you'll observe that you're far more settled than what you were when you started it. Whenever you feel, you can lift your gaze or open your eyes and be grateful to yourself that you took this time out to take care of your mind, which is one of the most important things in our entire body, in our entire life. Be proud of yourself that you took this step today, and go ahead and start putting this simple practice into practice, because it will make a lot of difference in building a clear, calm and focused mind. So do tell me, how did it go for you? And you can return back to this recording at any point in time, whether you feel, how do I go about doing this and controlling my monkey mind? So till the next time we meet, go ahead and practice this. Definitely share this with a friend who needs this right now. And of course, I will see you again, because as I always tell you, that you're way stronger than you think.